Y'all, listen up. Okay, this is a transportation code question. Texas Transportation Code. This child has gotten a ticket. The parents are, alarmed. They don't know what to do. You already know what time it is, Attorney Allie Booker. Welcome to the court of my public opinion. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what's up. This is not advice because I don't represent you. I can't represent you on you writing me a little blurb and me responding to it. But I can give you my professional advice based on what you said. More than likely, it's gonna be dead on because I'm straight up. Okay, I'm like this with my clients. I'm like this with everybody, even myself. So don't worry about it. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lackin'. Welcome to the court of my public opinion. 17-year-old was pulled over and given a citation for expired tags and was driving a friend's car and was unaware. What do we do in Texas? The 17-year-old was so unaware that the car had expired tags. What's the best way to proceed? Baby, tell the child to get the car registered. And if they show that the car is registered, they'll dismiss it with like an administrative fee or something. And it's weird to hear that your child was pulled over and given a citation for driving a friend's car. Okay? Because 9 times out of 10, the cops know that that was your car, parents, that you had, that you've not gotten inspected since 2019. Okay? BC, before Corona. And the car is so messed up it can't pass inspection, so you let the kid drive it. So now you're going to have the kid go in court and lie and say they were driving a friend's car. But I hope that car was never registered to you, never registered to any damn address that you've ever had or that child has had, because then the court's going to know that child is lying. Okay? And you don't want to send a child in to lie to the court. It's not what you want to do. If that child was driving their friend's car, where the hell was their friend? Okay? That's a question. Number 2, how did they not know the tags were expired? Because the tags are right there in the door, in the window. They're right there. They're right. Look to the left, you see the tag. So I'm trying to figure out, if you do that, and you can even see it through the clear window, how the kid didn't know. That's something that you teach a child. Because, ma'am, you know how many children get picked up for weed charges and, cocaine charges and shit because they're driving a car that doesn't belong to them. Damn car don't have no tags, or a fucking tail light is out, and now they're getting searched. And now the car is getting searched. And whatever in the car is getting attributed to them, blah, 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 blah. I want to slap the shit out of you because you sound dumb. Okay? I'm going to need you to teach your kid a little something. Okay? We don't drive cars with expired registrations no matter how much we want to drive. Okay? That's what Metro and public transportation is for. Or we just going to wait on your sorry ass to take us where we got to go. Because we don't get in cars like that. Luckily, this child, there was no drugs and there was no weed smell. So they didn't search his car. But this could have very well been like a jail case. And this is how children get stuck with shit. You always look for expired tags and lights. I don't give a shit whose car you're driving. And if it doesn't have those things, carry your ass on. That is not the car you're driving today. Okay, but we know that was your car, mama, next case. Pay the ticket for them. Or have them do a deferred adjudication, and you're going to pay the deferred adjudication fee. Because if y'all don't know where the child is, who owns the car, or the parents that owns the car, to get it registered so that they can give that child proof of registration, and that child just pay a $15 administrative fee, then guess what? He's going to need to get it deferred because he doesn't need that on his record, and you're going to need to pay it because you're not smart enough to teach him to look in the window in front of him for expired tags. Y'all, that is the number one way the police pull over kids. Next case. And they pull them over all the time for that shit. Don't let your child be a victim, please.
Biggest time I made that call, I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.